Now let's see what is frequency of words and also bigrams and trigrams. Okay, so we have what is called frequency of words. We have bigrams and then we have trigrams. Okay, so as the name suggests, when we talk about bigrams, it's nothing but two gram. That is two grammar. Okay, two grammar. Bigram, two grammar. Okay, that is a two-word sequence of, two-word sequence of words. So for instance, if we have word like say full stack, right? There are two words or a sequence of words. So it's a bigram. Okay, excellent course. It's a bigram. Only two words. Okay, when we talk about 3 gram, that is 3 grammar, or trigram, right? It's 3 words. So for instance, I love reading. Okay, or about data, right? About data science. That is 3 words, or something like full stack DS. Okay, it's just data science that I shortened. So these are 3 words, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's just the meaning of bigrams and trigrams, nothing fancy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first check the frequency of the distribution of words. Okay, for that in NLTK we have freq dist. Okay, we have freq dist to check the frequency of distribution of the words. So if I do that and I pass in the word list, you're going to see them over here. So the apostrophe comes once, the bracket comes once. That is open bracket, close bracket comes once. Comma comes 15 times, underscore comes twice, dot comes 8 times, 000 comes 8 times, 105 comes 1 time, all the way, right? You see, bits comes 1 time, belly comes 1 time, equals comes 8 times, right? And comes 6 times in our data set, 4 comes 7 times. Okay, so you want to see the frequency of your data set, especially if you're doing Twitter sentiment analysis. You're going to see these things quite a lot, where you want to check the frequency of the words that people are tweeting. Okay. All right. Now, we're also going to see the n-gram. N-gram is nothing but the bigram and the trigram. So instead of maybe using, 2 gram or putting 3 gram, we just generalize it to n-gram, because it's also possible that you want to check, say, 5 gram, or you want to check 7 gram. Okay. So we generalize to n-gram. All right, so in NLTK.etil we have n-grams in there, right? Which you can use to check how many grams are there, or you can even use to form the number of grams or grammar that you want. Okay, so for instance, I use n-grams here, and then I'm passing in the tokens that we got up there, right? And I'm saying that I want them to be 2. Okay, that is 2 grammar. So if you see the output, we only have French free market. It's just picking 2 words at a time, right? Picking 2 words at a time for us, right? So that's basically what you're seeing over here. If we change the 2 to 3, right? If we change the 2 to 3 over here, you see that now here is picking them at 3 at a time, right? French free market serial market, serial export, something like that. Okay, so that's the concept behind bigram and trigram, right? And any other gram that you want, you can change here to 4, you can change it to 7, you can change it to whatever that you want. Okay, so if you're working on a project that requires you to extract bigrams and trigrams and whatever grams that you want, okay, you can use this one, right? Quadrigrams and all that, right? This is how it is done.